Dear guests and visitors, we are glad to welcome you to Devnia Cement, and we invite you on a short journey around our facilities. For our company, safety is a way of living. We are fully committed, accountable, and focused on preventing people from harm. In the next few minutes, we are going to make you familiar with our general rules for health and safety. But first, who are we? Our company is a subsidiary of Heidelberg Cement Group, the world's #1 producer of aggregates, second in cement, and the third in ready-mix concrete. With more than 3,000 production sites, we combine the expertise, know-how, and culture of 60 countries across 5 continents. The Bulgarian operations of Heidelberg Cement Group include Devnia Cement, Vulcan Cement, and Terminal Damianica. We are the local market leader with a production capacity of over 2 million tons of cement per year. In May 2015, Devnia Cement officially inaugurated its new line, the largest investment project in Bulgaria made in the last quarter century and exceeding 325 million lev. The new installations introduced the best available technology towards the improvement of the health and safety conditions at the workplace and towards the reduction of the environmental footprint. With our more than 65-year production experience in Bulgaria, we continue to develop and excel in the areas of our technological capability, research and development potential, and sustainable development. All our activities are governed by corporate policies on health and safety, environment, energy, and quality. Dear guests and visitors, your health and safety is our concern. Before your visit to the plant, please follow carefully this video and read the safety leaflet. For your health and safety, please follow the safety rules. When visiting our plant, you must always be accompanied by our plant personnel. Whatever the reason for your visit, you are requested to wear the necessary personal protective equipment at all times. The mandatory personal protective equipment is the following: helmet with integrated earmuffs, safety glasses, high visibility jacket or vest, safety boots. In specific areas, as indicated by the local signs, you must wear appropriate additional PPE, gloves, dust mask, hearing protection. In case you don't have the appropriate PPE with you, we will be pleased to provide you with a set for visitors. This is the general layout of Devnia Cement Plant. The security control system at all gates requires a personal ID badge. Your visitor badge will be provided by the security guards upon registration of your ID document. This is the main entrance of the plant. Please note that the use of PPE is exempted only along the marked safety walkway. Please note the parking areas and rules are indicated with the relevant signs. Our cardinal rules on health and safety are very important because they can save a life. Do you know our cardinal rules? If not, take a moment to read and remember them. If you know them, take a moment to remind yourself. All personal protective equipment, PPE, required for a given task must be properly used. This applies in particular, but not exclusively, to the use of seat belts when driving, appropriate fall protection equipment when working at heights. Equipment has to be properly isolated from all inherent energy sources and must be tested to ensure it cannot start or move prior to conducting any tasks. Safeguards must be in place before equipment is started or restarted. Entry into confined spaces is only allowed for competent persons and with a permit to work signed by the responsible superior. Driving for the company is done in strict accordance with local laws and company requirements. All occupational incidents are reported and investigated to identify the root causes and to set up corrective actions and lessons learned. All relevant safety procedures, signs, warning and emergency signals must be well known and strictly followed. Workplace should be kept clean, tidy and safe. Tools and equipment must be checked before use to ensure their proper working condition. Standing in areas under suspended loads and near the operating areas of mobile equipment is forbidden. The use of or being under the influence of alcohol or illegal drugs shall not be allowed at the workplace or during work time. Everyone should take care about safety, take immediate action, and report all unsafe situations. Whatever the reason for your visit, the following specific rules are to be followed. Wear a seatbelt while driving or traveling in a vehicle. Respect the speed limit of 20 km per hour. The following actions are prohibited. Smoking, except at the designated areas which are marked with the relevant sign. Using a mobile phone while driving a vehicle. Wearing a gun on the territory of the plant. Entering inside the unauthorized or restricted workplaces. Taking pictures and videos of our facility and installations without explicit permit. We have done our best to eliminate or mitigate all risks. However, the following additional rules must be strictly obeyed for your own safety. Machines and conveyors are present everywhere within the plant. Do not touch any machine in operation or stop for maintenance. Heat. Cement manufacturing involves very high temperatures, about 1450 degrees centigrade. Chemicals. Don't touch any product, liquid or solid. Electricity. Do not touch any electrical equipment. Artex zone. Never enter an Artex explosive atmosphere zone without authorization. Don't use open flames and mobile phones in these zones. Electromagnetic field. Do not enter these zones if you have a metal prosthesis or a pacemaker. When you're walking around the facilities, please note also the following. Give priority to vehicles. Be aware of forklifts, trucks and railways in transit. Be aware that trucks have blind spots. Never leave or throw anything on the ground. Watch your step. Use pedestrian paths. Don't use your mobile phone while walking. Don't run. Use handrails while walking on stairways. Don't distract the attention of workers. In case of emergency, please make sure to notify the Chief on Duty of Devonier Cement or call the National Emergency Number. The emergency phones are listed in your leaflet. If you hear the siren alarm signal of the notification system, please follow the instructions of your attendant and proceed to the nearest assembly point. Please take note of the locations. One underground shelter inside and one assembly point near to the administration building. One assembly point in front of the plant main entrance. One assembly point in front of the truck entrance. The medical service is located in the administration building. People whose helmets are branded with these stickers are trained in first aid and firefighting. Dear guests and visitors, we would like to inform you that Devonier Cement applies a strict procedure in case of violation of the rules on health, safety, environment and security. Failure to comply with these rules can result in corrective measures, immediate exit from the premises, and denial of subsequent access. Please take a moment to review the safety leaflet and sign the form. For additional information and further questions, please do not hesitate to ask our team. Thank you for your attention. We wish you a pleasant stay and a safe visit to Devonier Cement. And don't forget, safety is our way of living.